What's cooking, laugh lovers? You've just found my YouTube channel, the internet's top spot for construction bloopers that'll have you rolling. We've dug through social media to unearth clips so funny you'll be laughing harder than a drill bit in a butter factory. From worksite wipeouts to tools with a mind of their own, we're serving up daily hilarity. Subscribe now, comment your own wild tales, and let's keep the giggles flowing.
Have a family laugh out loud viewing party. Funny moments say otherwise. Genius. Had to blink twice to believe my eyes. Watching a live comedy show. My first DIY attempt. This site answers both. It's like a random shot from a comedy movie. Can be a funny art form. Live comedy show at the construction site. Had to blink twice to believe my eyes. Never been this fun. Builders are training for a comedy show audition. Unconventional method, indeed. It's like a random shot from a comedy movie.
What's up, fun seekers? Weren't those construction clips just pure insanity? Did my worksite warriors have you cackling so loud you scared your dog into hiding? Don't even think about leaving. The next moments are so wild, they'll make a bulldozer double over in laughter. Expect epic fails and tools pulling pranks that'd make a clown jealous. Ditch us now and you'll regret it like forgetting your lines in a comedy show. Hit that subscribe button, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep the Laughter Foundation strong.
Any video game. I want to have a family laugh out loud viewing party. Unconventional method, indeed. My first DIY attempt. Live comedy show at the construction site. Dealing with this. Being this fun, thanks to this project. Funny moments say otherwise. This site does both.
That's all for now, folks. If you're not giggling, you're tougher than my mom's meatloaf. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. tomorrow.